What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at it again with another video. So I'm gonna check out driver fails to move over for the Arkansas State Police. What did I do? Simple. You didn't move over. They probably had their lights on. You gotta move over. If there's an ambulance, if there's a fire truck, any city official with the red and blue lights on, you gotta move over because they're obviously trying to get to a certain place fast. So you got to move over or stop so they can get by, whatever the case may be, so they can help whoever they need to help or chase down whoever they need to chase down. These are seconds, that, are really important to whatever emergency is happening. And if you don't move over, people be thinking nothing's going to happen to you. Nah. There's a good chance something can happen to you. There's a good chance they can find you and give you a ticket or whatever the case may be. So we're going to check out, see how all of this kind of played out. Appreciate all the love, support you guys have shown on the channel. Let's get right into this craziness, man. So it looks like this person was pulling somebody over. Is this the person initially? Hold on. You can't really hear. Is this the person that initially held them up? Because it looks like they ended up pulling over the person that they were trying to get. Oh, damn.
Got it.
On the Pharaoh.
What the? Was Buddy just saying, hey man, screw all what they doing. I'm trying to get into my driveway. I mean, I guess it makes sense. You don't want to get your shit towed on the street. So, I mean, you at home now, so it don't really matter. But still, I don't know.
Get out of Get your hands up! Get your hands up!
Please do not shoot him.
Get in the house! Get in the house! Get your hands up!
Get on the ground, sir.
Get
Stay on the ground.
You stay right there.
Stay on the ground.
Get your arm out from under you.
Stay on the ground, baby. Stay on the ground.
Hey, you want to come out the house? Come over here.
Hey, you move to your left. Move to your left.
Walk. Not side. Walk to your left. Now. Hands in the air.
John, I'm with you. Get him up. See if you can call him back.
Move
to your left. Get up onto your knees. Driver, get up onto your knees.
Hang tight just a second.
Hey, you with no shirt on. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
What did I do?
Move to your left. Put your hands on top of your head.
Go ahead.
All right, stand up, face away from me. Stand up, face away from me.
Don't start crying, son. Just hold on.
Stand up, face away from me.
Got the house.
Oh, 350.
This is my son.
Felony takedown. Walk back with the sound of my voice. Walk back with the sound of my voice. Keep walking backwards, the sound of my voice.
I'll go hands on.
Keep walking backwards.
Damn,
With the
bro.
lip there. Keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards.
You're good right there. Keep walking them back.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Go down to your knees.
What did I do? What did I do? All right. Stand up. Hands on your head.
You got him?
Let me see.
I'm gonna go help him.
What's my wallet?
You didn't stop.
What did I do?
You didn't stop. You took off. It's called fleeing.
I did.
You don't get to do that.
Y'all had someone else pulled over. I thought I could pass by.
You didn't see him get behind you with his license siren on.
No.
You speed up.
I didn't.
Okay.
Wait. I'm confused. Because in the beginning, you see him just pass by. So, like, right here. So they already pulled over somebody else. They already pulled over somebody else in front of them. He passes by. Now, are they talking about move over in the sense of they were too close to them? In the sense of, if you see someone being pulled over, you're supposed to kind of move over as far as you possibly can so they don't, you don't accidentally hit them or whatever case may be. So are they talking about that, or was this somebody trying to get them, officers trying to get the other car? They weren't moving over to let that happen. I don't know. Either way, Buddy was at home, at this point, I want to say right at this point, you can kind of tell they're going after you. So I don't know if he was not paying attention, but at this point, you can tell they're after you. And the biggest giveaway that they're after you is right at this point. Right here. He hit him. Oh, yeah, they after you. So there was a few times he possibly should have stopped. I don't know why he didn't, but he probably should have stopped. So let's get back to it.
I didn't. You don't get to do that. Y'all had someone else pull over. Slush or something? Yes, it's Dodge. Stand up. From Dodge. Stand up. What did I do? You didn't stop. You took off. It's called fleeing. I didn't. You don't get to do that. Y'all had someone else pull over. I thought I could pass by. You didn't see him get behind you with his license siren on? No. You speed up? I didn't. Okay. Come on, Clark. Come this side. Anybody else in your car? No. Lean up right against my car. You ain't got to lean on it. Just lean up against it.
Damn, man.
I gotta pee. You better not pee in my car.
Oh, damn, he cooked. He said, I gotta pee too. Better not pee in my car. Damn. Oh, he cooked for real.
I gotta pee. Can I pee?
Damn.
What are you doing? I'm trying to pee. I ain't got no deal. I'm just trying to get home. So you a grown man? You can't hold your bladder? Man, I've been holding my pee for 2 hours. I've been trying to get home because she called me. Well, come back here. Sit down. I gotta.
Damn. I think that's it.
What do you mean? What does it say? You're not having a seizure right now. Why can't you breathe?
Oh man, he's going through it. I'm still kind of confused. I really am still kind of confused. Did he not pull over in the sense of they were trying to chase down the original person and he was in the way? Was it something like that? Maybe they know in the comments. Okay, so maybe there's some clarification. So this is actually in the comments. Let me make myself smaller so y'all can see this. Okay, damn, this is like a whole 10-page essay. On Friday, July 11 at approximately 11:57 p.m., Sergeant Bennett was parked behind TRP Carter Lazenby and TRP Chris Durham on South Division Street with my emergency lights activated, waiting for TRP Dunningham to complete the traffic stop. I looked in my rearview mirror and observed headlights coming up behind me in my lane and did not appear to be moving over or slowing down. Oh, that's what it was. The vehicle changed lanes at the last minute, barely tapped its brakes, and proceeded to pass all three emergency vehicles without slowing down to a safe speed. Due to no other traffic present, keeping the vehicle from moving into the center turn lane and passing by TRP Dunham getting in his patrol unit, I pulled out into traffic lanes to conduct a traffic stop on the vehicle for failing to slow down. Okay, so that's what it was. I was trying to figure out what it was. I thought it was initially a situation where they held up the officers from getting to the person that they were, pulling over for a traffic stop. Because they can, if you are holding up the officers or impeding whatever they're trying to do, that is, you can get a ticket for that. But now it makes sense because he didn't slow down at this point. You're supposed to slow down. I mean, that don't seem too fast. Maybe they, like you said, you probably slow down right at the last minute, but you're supposed to slow down. As soon as you see them lights, you're supposed to slow down just in case for your own safety and theirs. And I think that's what it was. And then he kept going because he was almost home. And yeah, you've seen the rest, how it played out. That was actually kind of crazy, man. Look, if you have an opportunity, you see them lights, just slow down. Just slow down. Wait till you pass them and then go your normal speed or whatever you got to do. That way you're not in a situation like this. Because imagine you passing them by a little bit too fast. You get a ticket for passing them by too fast. But hey, comment down below. Let me know some other car-related videos you guys want me to check out. I definitely will. I appreciate all love, support. Road to 20K, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.